When you boot a new router, the first thing you should do is change your Wi-Fi network's default name and password. But even if you have already changed your password, Ctrl-Alt-Delete recommends you change it at least once a year. Here is everything you need to know about how to change your Wi-Fi network's name and password on a Windows 10 or Mac computer. Before you can change your Wi-Fi name and password, you need to log into your router. In order to do that, you need to know your router's IP address and login information. You can often find your router's default IP address, as well as the default username and password on the back side or bottom of the physical router. However, this information can be changed, so you might need to reset your router if you want to return the settings back to default. If you don't want to factory reset your router, you can also use your Windows or Mac computer to find your router's current IP address. Here is how. To find your IP address on a Windows computer, press the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard, type CMD into the Run window and click OK. Finally, type ipconfig into the command prompt window and hit Enter. You will find your router's IP address next to default gateway. To find your router's IP address on a Mac, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Preferences. Then click Network, select Wi-Fi in the left sidebar and click Advanced. Finally, go to the TCP/IP tab and you will find your router's IP address next to Router. To change your Wi-Fi name and password, open a web browser and type your router's IP address into the address bar. Then enter your router's username and password. Finally, search for wireless settings, enter a new username and password and click Apply or Save. Open a web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other web browser. Then type your router's IP address into the search bar and press the Enter key. Many routers use the same private IP addresses. So, you can try entering 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1 or 10.0.0.1 into the address bar of your browser. If those don't work, check out our step-by-step guide on how to find your router's IP address on a Windows, Mac, iPhone or Android device. Note, your device will also need to be connected to your router's Wi-Fi network in order to change your Wi-Fi name and password. Note, you might see a warning that says your connection is not private. According to Netgear, this is not important because your router is on your local network and has security built in. To proceed, click Advanced and then Proceed or Continue. Next, enter your router's username and password and click Sign in. Your router's username and password are not the same as your Wi-Fi username and password. You might be able to find your router's username and password printed somewhere on your router or in its manual. If not, you can also use this list to find the default username and password of your router by brand. Then click Wireless. You will usually see this in a menu on the left side of your window. This button might have a different name depending on your router. You might also have to click through other buttons or find the advanced settings of your wireless router. Next, change your new Wi-Fi name and password. You will usually be able to change your Wi-Fi network in a text box next to name or SSID service set identifier. To change your Wi-Fi password, you usually have to choose a security option first. If you want to know more about which router security option you should choose, check out our previous article here. Note: in order to change your Wi-Fi name, you might have to check a box next to enable SSID broadcast or something similar. Finally, click Apply or Save. Your changes won't go into effect until you click Apply or Save. Note: after you change your Wi-Fi username or password, you will have to reconnect all the devices using the new Wi-Fi network name and password. If your computer was connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you will be disconnected from the internet until you sign in with your new Wi-Fi username and password.
5CB7432 4C6 8T54FD1T8 7 8 F0B8 4F8